Are you the one who also forgot your password after log out your account? No worries, we bring you the solution. Let's start the video. Let's reset the password with the phone number. This is an interface. Here you enter your email address, hit next, enter your password. If you forgot the password, then follow the steps shown in video further. Here click on forgot password. Then follow the same. Here you enter your phone number and move forward. After this, you will receive the verification code on your phone number that you enter while generating an email address. In this panel, enter the code that you receive in the phone, hit next. Now the final step, create the password. Hit next. Continue to Gmail. You have changed the password successfully. Here your Gmail. Now we reset password with email address. Interface is same, so just follow the previous step. Hit on forgot password. This panel opens. Here you see. Enter a recovery email address. Enter the code you will receive through your recovery email. In this panel, enter the code. Now here follow the same as we did back in the same video. You have changed the password successfully. Here your Gmail. And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.